In this video, I'll show you how to type Urdu in Adobe Illustrator. If Urdu is not installed on your computer, the first thing you need to do is go to Google and search for Urdu Phonetic Keyboard. Download and install it. After installation, it will appear in your system tray. Click the keyboard icon and select Urdu Phonetic Keyboard. Now, open Illustrator and start typing Urdu. But you may notice a problem. When we type Urdu in Illustrator, the letters don't combine properly. To fix this, go to Edit, then Preferences, and select Type. Under Language Options, check Show Indic Options and click OK. Now, keep your Urdu text selected. Go to the Paragraph panel and click the panel menu. From here, select Middle Eastern and South Asian Single Line Composer. And that's it. Now the Urdu letters will combine correctly and the text will automatically type from right to left. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like the video and subscribe to my channel for more Illustrator tutorials.